I went from renting a 50-year-old one-bedroom apartment with bed bugs to moving to this new place in downtown Toronto, all because I started my digital business journey here on social media. Hello, everybody. I'm Katrina, and I'm originally from the Philippines. When we moved here to Canada years ago, we thought we will have it all together, greener pasture and all. But sadly, it was not the case. We're still running in circles. And, in the Philippines, I shifted from one career to another. I used to work as a TV production staff in GMA 7. And then I was a nurse as well, and then life insurance advisor. So I left all those thriving careers to start anew here in Canada, survival jobs, to corporate positions, but still far from the bigger dreams that we're aiming for. And when I got pregnant with our third son, I was on my mat leave. I was literally just looking for something supplemental, just extra $1,000 just to bridge the gap because I was receiving employment insurance. My husband was back to school full time, receiving student loan assistance. So literally, we were dependent on the government. And then when I saw a video like this on my newsfeed, of course, initially I was like unsure, like, is this even possible? And then, but something deep inside me is telling like, okay, maybe this is also something that can work for me. My husband were skeptical, but I stood my ground because I saw the bigger potential. And let's just say 19 months into the business, the rest is history. I was able to walk away from my admin position, do this full time from anywhere, and also send our eldest to a private school, sponsor my parents' Canadian visas, travel more with the family, be more present with my kids, spend slow mornings with my husband, and give more to our church family. And now I'm teaching thousands of other everyday people, moms, dads, professionals, do exactly the same. If that is you as well, wanting to have more so you can give more, maybe this is also that's something that you're looking for. Who knows? Click the link around this video. You'll be redirected to watch the info session. Just give your name and email, and we will show you the 3 pillars that really, what it takes to build a successful business online. And the good news is there will be a team member. One of our team members will connect with you and walk you through the next step. So you'll also be guided and see if it's also a good fit for you. All right. Looking forward to helping you get started. God bless you and bye for now.